Imagine waking up to the sound of running water, only to step onto a soaked carpet. A pipe has burst in your San Diego home. Panic sets in. What do you do first? Who do you call at 3 a.m.? Water doesn't wait for business hours. Once it escapes, it seeps into everything. Drywall, floorboards, even your home's foundation. Damage spreads fast. A small puddle can become a disaster in minutes. The longer you wait, the worse, and more expensive, the repairs get. It's not just the water you see. It's the hidden moisture inside your walls and floors. Every second counts. That's why having a plan is crucial. Know your main water shutoff valve, but remember, you'll still need a pro to fix the problem. Having a reliable plumber's number on hand can turn chaos into control. The first few minutes are critical for limiting long-term damage. If you have an emergency, call +1 888 Get an expert on the way. Protect your home and your peace of mind. A burst pipe is more than a mess. It's the start of bigger, hidden problems. While you mop up, moisture seeps behind walls and under floors, creating a breeding ground for mold. Mold can grow in just 24 hours, threatening your home's air quality and your family's health. Soaked drywall crumbles, wood rots, and even your home's structure can be compromised. Water near electrical wiring is a serious fire and shock hazard. A leak from a light fixture? That's an emergency. Call a pro immediately. Plumbing emergencies are about more than stopping water. They're about stopping a chain reaction of damage. A professional plumber knows where to look for hidden moisture and how to prevent long-term issues. If you have an emergency, call +1 888 620 Don't let a small leak become a big disaster. DIY fixes are tempting, but plumbing emergencies aren't the time to experiment. A quick patch might hold for a moment, but if it fails, you could face a much bigger flood. The real danger? Not knowing the true source of the leak. Fixing what you see might ignore hidden corrosion or damage deeper in your walls. Professionals have the experience and tools to diagnose and fix the real problem, fast. They're licensed and insured, so you're protected if something goes wrong. DIY repairs can void insurance and leave you with bigger bills. Sometimes, the smartest move is to call in a pro and avoid making things worse. If you have an emergency, call +1 888 620 Let an expert handle it right the first time. When you call a 24/7 emergency plumber, you get a real person, no automated menus. They'll quickly gather your info and dispatch a nearby technician, ready to respond fast. Plumbers arrive with fully stocked vehicles, prepared to tackle most emergencies on the spot. First, they ensure the water is shut off, then diagnose and explain the problem clearly. Their goal, a durable, long-term fix, not a sales pitch. They use quality materials and proven techniques to restore your plumbing and minimize disruption. After repairs, they clean up, leaving your home as they found it. The process is designed to be smooth and stress-free. You get peace of mind, even in a crisis. Emergency plumbing isn't cheap, but waiting can cost far more. Every hour you delay means more damage and higher repair bills. The cost of emergency service is an investment to prevent massive restoration expenses later. A pro doesn't just fix a leak, they save you from mold, ruined floors, and structural repairs. You get peace of mind knowing the job's done right by a licensed expert. It's the difference between a quick fix and a financial nightmare. Acting fast is the most responsible choice for your home and wallet. Don't gamble with your biggest asset. If you have an emergency, call +1 888 0246. Protect your home. Make the right call. These emergencies happen every day in San Diego. A Scripps Ranch family stopped a laundry room flood before it ruined their hardwood floors, because they called right away. A gas lamp restaurant avoided a shutdown when a plumber cleared a major clog in under an hour. An elderly couple in Point Loma got a leaking water heater replaced overnight, saving their garage from damage. The common thread? Quick action and a call for help made all the difference. Don't wait and hope it gets better. Be proactive. If you have an emergency, call +1 888 0246. Fast action saves homes and peace of mind.